Welcome back, guys. Today we making a custom artwork using typography. So let's go. At first we go to file or click new or create a new artboard. This size and this size or click create. Okay, and then we go to rectangle tool and click round tool or hit the artboard and choose size and click OK. And then we zoom in and go to stop or type 2.5 and we copy this for go to object, go to edit, click copy and then edit and click paste in font or Ctrl F. Okay, and then we shift and Alt hold and drag it. Okay, scroll down, done. Okay, and then select both and go to blend tool or double click and open this menu or select this option or this type 4 and OK, and then we click this and we select all and lock for object and lock selection or control tool. Okay, lock this and we go to rectangle tool and shift button hold or make a round shape or this fill color, click none and this copy for Ctrl C and paste for Ctrl F, Ctrl C, paste in font for Ctrl F. Okay, and then we move in and Ctrl C, Ctrl F, this move this position, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, or this move its position and Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Okay, we continue this technique. Okay, and then we select all or this move and we go to object, unlock all or delete this. Okay, and then this round shapes we copy its position or zoom or adjust position and then we copy zoom and adjust position and then copy zoom and adjust position. Okay, and then we select this or move and go to rectangle tool or line and make a line or go to edit, go to object path, then divide object below. Mark this or delete and then select this round shape and this move it same position. Okay, done. Okay, we press Ctrl R and make a this and click right button or lock guides. Okay, and then we select this or move to rest position, then we success. Okay, and then we select all or go to stock and type 7. And then we go to rectangle tool or line and we make a line and we copy this line or this position, copy this position, copy this position, copy, copy. Okay, and select no this best. Okay, and then we select this line and copy or move this position and we adjust these lines. Okay, and then we go to line and make a line this position, make a line this position. Okay, and then we select all or go to shape builder tool or this tool, drag it or remove this off. Okay, okay, and then we go to this position or remove it, remove it, remove it, remove it, remove it. Okay, and then we go to this position and we or it this remove and this remove, sorry, relax and orchid. Okay, and then we remove this or remove. Zoom and try it. Okay, zoom and try it for success. It's not working, we go to selection tool or select this object or delete. Okay, very nice, very easy. And then we go to this position or delete this and we select it and this down and sum this down for your favorite or you like, and then we select and then select these lines or go to stock and click round cap this round and go to rectangle tool and click these tools or make some tools for view a nice and copy. Okay, and then we go to this position and delete this, delete, select direct selection tool or click and delete, click and delete, click and delete, click and delete, click and delete. Okay, and then we select this and then we select these lines and go to stock and click round cap, this round cap, and then rectangle tool or make some rectangles, and then we select this rectangle or go to color and sense color, stock color no, and fill color. Okay, we select all or click stock color and gradient color. I open this gradient menu and click here, double click and same OK and color change for this menu. Okay, here double click and same OK or yellow color. And we this click and this color source and yellow. Okay, solve this problem and this color stock color no and fill color red, yellow, as you wish. Okay, this same and this delete, click or delete. Okay, no more today. Take care and like this video, share your friends. Thank you for watching. Take care, bye bye.